In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, to open Google Chrome browser and click on the three dot icon. Then click on Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security and then Site Settings. Now scroll down and click on Additional Content Settings and select Sound. Now in the enable Site can play sound. And on this place, if you have any not allowed site, then click on this three dot icon and remove it. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily fix no sound in Google Chrome.